In this demonstration, we're going to be demonstrating the manual load tester. We'll hook the tester up first by connecting the negative cable to the negative battery terminal and the positive battery cable to the positive battery terminal. Next, we'll take the inductive amp clamp and place it around one of the tester's battery cables. The inductive amp clamp has an arrow on it. The arrow for this tester points in the direction of electron current flow. So when the amp clamp is placed on the tester's negative battery cable, it points away from the battery. And when the amp clamp is placed on the positive tester cable, it points towards the battery. Battery testing begins by determining the state of charge. We can use a hydrometer or we can use open circuit voltage for that. The first step in using open circuit voltage is to remove the surface charge from the battery. Adjust the load control knob to obtain a 50 amp draw for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, release the knob and watch the battery voltage. Within a few seconds, the battery voltage should rise above 12.4. If the voltage is below 12.4, the battery needs to be charged before testing can continue. Open circuit voltage should be adjusted for temperature. Since temperature affects performance, drop your expected recovery voltage by 1/10 of a volt for every 10 degrees that the battery drops below 70 and 2/10 of a volt for every 10 degrees once the battery temperature drops below 40 degrees. Before load testing, you will need to determine how much current to apply to the battery. It's quite common that the battery will not be marked with a load rating. If it is, you'll use that. If it's not marked with a load rating, the most common method for determining how much to load the battery is to take 1/2 of the cold cranking amps. If the battery is rated at 750, as this one is, we would take 750 divided by 2, gets us 375 load amps. Once you've determined your load test amperage, rotate the load control knob clockwise. Hold the control knob, maintaining the correct amperage for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, note the voltage and amperage and release the control knob. The hold feature works real well for this. With the correct load applied, the voltage of the battery should not have dropped below 9.6 volts at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. If at any time during testing, with the correct amperage load applied, the battery dropped below 9.6, the battery fails load testing. Test voltage also gets compensated for temperature. Drop your expected voltage readings by 1/10 of a volt for every 10 degrees it drops below 70 and 2/10 of a volt once you drop below 40 degrees.